Oh guys, all are here. Today we're riding the brand new Pink Line in Bangkok. By brand new I mean made 3 months ago. But I'm currently at Luxy Station. Alright, let's go. Got my ticket. Let me in. There we go. Oh. My God. Currently on the platform. Train's in like 3 minutes.
What if I cross the yellow line?
I will push you onto the monorail tracks.
I would die.
Actually, you can't go through the... Oh, there's a train! Alright, let's move. What's wrong with it? Okay. Whoa!
Go bump.
It's only 2 stops, don't worry about it. Dude, the air conditioning is strong. No, like, actually, I thought it was going to be like weed.
This is automated.
Yeah, it is automated. Bombardier, you know about something. This is where like the pink line like goes alongside the road. So like the road's in the middle, and then the pink line's on the side. I remember this.
Next station, Watrasi Maharaj. Interchange with Green Line.
See, this is where it splits off in 2. You see, this is the monorail side running across the side of the road. There's a lot of walking. Oh no, it's literally. There's on top of the BTS station. Alright, we're approaching.
Watrasi Maharaj.
Alright, we made it to Wat Phra Maharaj. You have to find the Sukhumvit line. There, I think that says yep, the Sukhumvit line. So we're gonna transfer to the Sukhumvit. I haven't used my own country system in like 8 years. Alright, so up to train, the Sukhumvit line. Sukhumvit line is much busier than on the other side. You know the rolling stock of the BTS skytrain?
No.
Siemens modular metro. Jeez, there's a Siemens train.
This is
Okay, made it to Mosh. Mosh does not have any flat. Wait, bonus, look, they don't have any. Yeah. Alright, it's... No, it's here. Yeah. Thank you for using the BTS skytrain. We're at the Suan station. It's an MRT blue line.
It's like onions.
What?
It smells like onions.
Yeah, it does smell like onions. So far, I know so much about my transit system in Bangkok.
You've never been on it.
No, I've never been on it. This is so I've never been here before. I'm lost.
Is that more shopping?
So I think we go down there. Alright, we're down in the actual ticket area. We got a ticket machine. Helping stop sexual harassment. We're really here. We have to go 1-2 stops. Take the train up to the Dunmill, which is up there. Alright. There we go. I got my token. Oh yeah. platform 2. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but platform 2 is over here. Let's wait for our train. The next train's in 2 minutes. There's the train, I missed it. Packed. Please mind the gap. The MRT Pink Line. Okay, in you go. There we go.
Now we have to walk.
Walking time lapse. Bangkok Grand Station. Alright. First time in Bangkok Grand Station.
Great experience riding train.
Very nice.
Yeah, to the station.
Whoa. Why don't it be like dark, really dark?
Hey, it's coming.
That's the where? Oh! Look at that tracks. Alright, here it comes. Make that shit over there. Just walk through the train. I can still do my time lapse. Then we had some lunch and plane spotted. Sir, please do not crash into the water because of MCAS behind. Oh, it's two areas are taking off at the same time. It's like the coolest shot I've ever taken. Oh, man, hot. I'll take air. And he's up. He's up. There we go, he's up. He's land smoothly. Wanna see the sea? Ooh. Here it comes, bring your lunch. Alright, let's see this landing. Ooh. Was that good? That was kinda hard.
Yeah. What? That's it. Bangkok Airways.
Up and up he goes. Cool livery?
Yeah, the good livery one.
So much traffic today. Alright, butter. Yeah, that was butter. That was really close to me. Oh, okay, coming in. Missed a touchdown. Dang it, I missed a touchdown. Let's head back now. Holdings. Approaching the station. And that's it now. I'm really sorry about Create Mod episode 2, but I just had a day where I rode trains around Bangkok and I really wanted to make this vlog. So Create Mod Survival episode 2 should be made in around this week or next week. Anyways, bye. Exodus was there too, by the way.